So if you're having a PCV valve that's going bad, you may wonder, like, should I change both of them at the same time or not? Well, on the F-150, you do not. There's definitely not even a required like mileage or anything to replace these at. Mostly when it goes bad, you replace it. So this one is going to be on your passenger side, and that's going to be your most kind of a used one. That's where the oil is actually going to be kind of seeping out of there and going through the PCV valve. And that's usually why people put catch cans on it and stuff, but that's the one that usually will probably need to be replaced first. Yeah, you don't need to replace the other one when this one goes bad, because the other one is actually, it's not even, that's on the driver's side, so that's actually just used to bring clean air into the crankcase. So it's really not even the same PCV valve, but technically it is still a PCV valve. But yeah, if that one's going bad, you do not necessarily need to replace that one at the same time.